Yes, busyness can harm or even kill a relationship if it leaves no space for connection. But it's not the work itself that destroys the relationship. It's neglect and lack of emotional presence. Here are few ways busyness affects relationships. Number one, lack of time together. Relationships grow through shared time and experiences. When someone is always busy, the other person may feel ignored or unimportant. Number two, emotional distance. Even if two people live together, constant busyness can create emotional separation. Conversations become short, mechanical, or disappear completely. Number three, feeling unappreciated. When effort and attention are missing, a partner may start feeling taken for granted. Number four, loss of intimacy. Intimacy, both emotional and physical, needs attention and presence. Too much busyness slowly weakens that bond. Number five, resentment builds. If one partner constantly prioritizes work or other things, the other might begin to feel resentment, which damages the relationship over time. But here's the truth. Here's the important truth. Healthy relationships are not about having a lot of time, they're about intentional time. Even busy people can keep a relationship strong if they make time for meaningful conversation, show appreciation, listen and be emotionally present, protect small moments together. A beautiful thought to remember. Love does not die because of distance or time. It dies when attention disappears. Here is a um, here is a short but powerful story about how business can slowly destroy a relationship. The title is The Empty Chair. Miguel was a hard-working man. Every morning he left home early and returned late at night. He worked hard because he loved his family and wanted to give them a better life. His wife Anna understood at first, someday our sacrifices will pay off, she would tell herself. Every morning, she prepared dinner for both of them. She would set two plates on the table and place a chair across from hers, Miguel's chair. But most nights, the chair stayed empty. At first, Miguel would call and say, "I'm sorry, I have to stay late at work." Then the calls became fewer. Then the messages become shorter. Then sometimes there was nothing. Anna still set the table every night. Two plates, two glasses, one empty chair. One evening, Miguel finally came home early. He walked into the dining room and saw the table, two plates again. But this time, Anna was not there. On the table was a small note. It said, "I know you work hard for us, but somewhere along the way, we stopped being part of your life." Miguel slowly sat down in his chair. For the first time, he noticed the silence in the house. The chair from him was now empty. And suddenly, he realized something painful. He had spent years building a successful life, but forgot to nurture the people he was building it for. Lesson: success, money, and achievements be revealed, but hearts that feel forgotten are harder to repair. Relationships rarely break in one moment, then slowly fade in the quiet absence of time and attention. If you want, many relationships today struggle because modern life has become very busy and fast. Busyness itself is not evil, but when it dominates life, it slowly weakens human connection. Here are some deeper reasons why this happens. Number one, constant focus on productivity. Today, we are often taught that their value comes from being productive, successful, and always working. Careers, money, and achievements become the main focus. When this happens, relationships sometimes move to the background. Number two, mental exhaustion. Even if people have time physically, they may not have mental or emotional energy. After a long day of work, stress, and responsibilities, a person may feel too tired to talk, listen, or connect deeply. Number 3, technology distraction. Phones, social media, and digital entertainment take a lot of attention. Two people may sit in the same room but still feel far apart because their attention is on their screens. Number 4, delayed priorities. Many people say I will focus on my relationship later when life becomes easier, but life rarely slows down. If love is always postponed, distance quietly grows over time. Number 5, love needs maintenance. A relationship is like a garden. If it is watered, cared for, and given sunlight, it grows beautifully. But if it is ignored for too long, even strong plants begin to wither. A powerful truth. Many people work hard to build a comfortable future for their loved ones, but sometimes they forget that their loved ones need their presence today, not only security tomorrow. The greatest gift we can give someone is not money, success, or possession. It is our time and attention. Even small moments can keep a relationship alive. Eating meals together, having honest conversation, listening without distraction, showing appreciation and kindness. In the end, most people in old age do not regret not working more. They regret not spending enough time with the people they loved. If you So busyness not only harm relationship but kill relationship.